Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Ajmani POS system. In this video, we will see what are all the actions taken against a supplier. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to contacts and then go to suppliers. Okay, so here you will get a list of all the suppliers to your particular business location. So let me consider this lot mobiles. Okay, and here there are actions against this particular supplier lot mobiles. So let me explain each one of them. First of all, pay. So from this action, you can directly pay what are all the purchase due and the opening balance amount to this particular supplier. Directly from this option, you can pay, or you can add this payment. Then you can here for me, I have to pay 29,000 rupees to this lot mobiles. Okay, so if you want to this you can see it here also, total purchase, how much I have purchased, and the total paid, and the purchase due, and the opening balance, and the opening balance due. Okay, so combining this purchase due and the opening balance due, it's 29,000 rupees. And I am paying now this I am adding this as a cash, or you can add it as a card also, or else the check by check number, entering the check number, or else if you want you can add a bank transfer also by entering the bank transfer. Okay, so now for this I am making as a cash payment, and if you want you can attach any document or the payment note, and let me say add is a payment all, uh, no dues. Okay, so and I have added a payment method and save. So now you can go and see the pay option. So here there won't be any amount, so I have paid the total balance to that lot mobiles. Okay, so like this you can use the payment option directly from this action against the particular supplier. And here you can view the total history of this supplier. Okay, total relation between you and this supplier, like the supplier name and the address and the pay term and the period and the tax number. Okay, and then here there are many features are there. First one is the ledger. So here you can see all the dealings or the purchases you have made with this supplier, like on what date you have made and how much amount you have paid, and the balance amount and the payment method. Okay, and the anything, all information regarding with this particular supplier. Okay, and here you can see the balance due and advance balance and the total purchase and the total paid, like that. Okay, this is the ledger file of for this particular supplier. And then go to purchases. Here you can see all the purchases, like what are the payment status and the payment due, and reference numbers and the location and all those things from this particular supplier. Okay, and then the stock report, it will show all the stock, what are all the products you have brought from this purchase from this particular supplier. So you can see all the total number of quantity remained at your particular business location and the current stock value. And then the documents and note, here you can add any document between you and the particular supplier, and if you want you can make it as a enable this as a private also. So by using this option you can add some contracts or any confidential documents. Okay, so like that you can add it here and you can save it here. And the payments, so if you go to the payments you can see all the payment details, and now we have made this payment. Okay, so 29,000 cash. So this is like you can see all the payment done for this particular supplier. Okay, and coming to this activities, here you can see who has made the changes or who has added this supplier to this Ajmani POS system. So here you can see the Venkateshwarlu has added this particular supplier, and only the profile changes who had made the changes to the profile will be added here. Not all the changes will not be added here. Okay, and then the contact persons. So here in the lot mobiles you have one particular contact in order to make any particular purchase or purchase orders and all those things. So here Mr. Vijay is contact person to you in the particular to your particular business location. Okay, and here his Gmail, email, and the department and the designation. If you want, you can by using these actions you can edit his information also, and if you want you can add the last name as Vijay Kumar, so like that. Okay, so you can add and you can update it also. Okay, and if you want you can make it as is active, so you can enable this if he is active, or if he is not an active, so you can disable this. Okay, so like this you can update the login information of this particular customer. Okay, and if you want you can delete this particular contact person's name also. So this is the view, you can view all the information regarding this particular supplier. Okay, and then we will go to another option, that is if you want you can edit this particular supplier's information. Okay, if you want you can change the phone mobile number and any information. If you want you can change any information regarding this particular supplier, and if you want you can update it also. And then after that if you want you can delete it also, and if this supplier is not active, so you can deactivate him also. And the ledger, purchase, and the stock report, we have seen all them. So this is how you can take actions against a particular supplier, and you can get all the information regarding this supplier by using the actions. Okay, so this is how you can take advantage of this option in the Yajmani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.